Many GMAT students turn to the calculator on data insights, but it's often a waste of time. Being smart by comparing, not calculating, can save you precious seconds and avoid data entry errors. I'm Mark Lynn, the GMAT mentor, here to make the GMAT make sense. So take a moment to think about this question. Pause if you want to. First, make sure you understand the graph. The bars refer to enrollment, which is the axis on the left, and the line refers to appropriations per student, which is the axis on the right. In the first question, we want the least total appropriations out of these 3 years. So how do we find total appropriations? It's just the number of students, or enrollment, times appropriations per student. So in 97, that's 410 times 1700. But let's not calculate that yet. In 99, that's 420 times about 1850. And in 2001, that's 460 times 1750. Okay, so now look. 410 is less than 420 and 460. 1700 is less than 1850 and 1750. So 97 has to be the lowest. No need for the calculator here. Now for the second question, which is similar but asks for the year with the greatest total. In 2003, we have 520 times 1600. In 2005, we have 550 times 1400. And in 2007, we have about 570 times 1400. So clearly, 2007 is bigger than 2005 because 570 is greater than 550, and the 1400s are equal. But comparing 2003 and 2007 is tougher. Now you might be able to estimate here, but at this point it's probably easiest to use the calculator. If we plug that in, 520 times 1600 is 832,000. And then 570 times 1400 is 798,000. So 2003 is greatest, and you're done. So I'm not saying you should never use the calculator. Sometimes it is essential, but most of the time it tells you something you should already know. It takes your mind away from solving the problem and sucks up time that you could use elsewhere, and actually increases the chance for errors. So compare, don't calculate, and save those precious seconds for other GI questions. So hopefully that helps the GMAT make sense.